Balancing prelims and mains preparation. It sounds simple, but every UPSC aspirant knows how tricky it really is. One demands objective accuracy, the other tests analytical depth. And somewhere in between, most aspirants lose their balance. Do you focus on facts or concepts, speed or depth? It's this confusion that often slows progress, not lack of effort, but lack of direction. That's where VisionIAS Jaipur's GS Foundation Course 2027, starting 21st November at 7:30 am and 5 pm, steps in. Through concept-based classes, structured guidance, and expert mentorship, this program helps you prepare smartly for both prelims and mains, ensuring clarity, consistency, and confidence at every stage. Because true preparation is not about choosing between objective and analytical, it's about mastering both. To know more or register, visit our website or call us on the given numbers.